What up, what it is, what happening YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied, and I'm back with another banger for you guys. Y'all already know what's up. If you ain't a subscriber to this channel yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Don't cost me nothing, don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. Y'all know what's up. But today, as y'all can see, we got this 9th annual Cruising for Kids car show that Densmore Baptist Church here in Jacksonville. They hold this every year. Well, this is the 9th year, obviously. Great turnout so far. We literally just got here. Unfortunately, I do not have Nunu today. I'm actually in my best friend's car, in his little RT that he got. I'm saying it little like it ain't nothing, but he got a nice little whip. I'm gonna show you here in the channel in a second. So, but I'm gonna show you guys what they got out here. Just give you guys a little walk around. They got some dope cars out here, like straight dope cars, like just from riding in. They got us all the way here in the back. We kind of showed up a little late, but we still got in. We still got a spot. So I'm gonna show you guys what they got out here, and hope you guys sit back and enjoy the footage. So let's get it. Y'all already know, got the gang out here. Street Predators Jacks, you heard. Got a little slight work out here. Got a little SS Camaro. This joint kind of clean though. This joint nasty. Hey, Tweety. Tweet, what year is your Challenger?
2010.
Yeah, it's a 2010 right here. This joint dope. You know, gotta represent for the SRTs. I miss my SRT8 sometimes. Still ain't got nothing on Nunu though. Y'all see the squad? Y'all see the squad? Y'all see the squad? Why y'all ain't even live today? The weather got down, got y'all.
Give me a minute. Once I give me some water, I got you. Matter of fact, it's in the
nah, it's hot out here already, and it's what? Only like 10, 11 o'clock right now. This one I'm pushing today, y'all. This little thing right here. This little thing right here. Got the black and gold on his joint. You ain't gonna win nothing. I don't know why you so focused on pushing the number up there. You ain't gonna win nothing.
SRT Bree, what's up, SRT Bree?
Oh yeah, big shout out to Bree.
I'll go for you.
Got the little Jeep thing. Hey. Man, we got our VP out here still wiping this thing down. He started wiping this thing down like a week ago, and he's still wiping this thing down. I swear. This thing nasty though. Y'all clowning already.
The gold teeth keep on coming off and shit. You know what I'm saying? You must have got that shit done in Atlanta.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
Ooh. Boy, I'm gonna keep my comment to myself. Got some dope stuff out here. Y'all see it. Got that 50th anniversary edition challenge out here. This thing's sexy. That color is dope. Look at that interior. That interior is dope. Ooh, and it's a stick shift. That's sick. It's not gonna make a difference. All these trophies, the dyno sheet, all that ain't gonna make a difference, bro. Let me actually zoom in on this number. What he pushing? What he pushing? I hope y'all can see that. It's a boat, says another guy who owns a boat. Shit, all of us got boats. Ooh, got that big boy in there. I know this thing probably moved. These cars are light too, so big motors like that in these type of cars, boy. I know y'all probably seen videos of that Hellcat swap me out. I think he blew his motor in that one already, but that one was mean too. I've seen him at the Cars and Coffee here in Jacksonville once, and that thing was ridiculous. ports coming out here heavy. Ooh, this thing's actually pretty clean. Got the wire tuck done. That's clean. Got a Mustang right here. And he got his little dyno sheet. What he pushing? 606, okay. Alright, I see him. That's dope. Pro charge on this thing. That color hitting hard. Whoever did their engine bay cover, they did this thing right. This thing look just like the paint on the car. Look at that. How'd I see him? Big body out here. This thing nasty. Look at the suspension. You got that king suspension on here. Alright, I see him. Damn. This big body right here. Big body. Y'all see it. We out here. This thing right here. Pressure. Straight pressure. Oh, this thing running. There's a lot of cars out here, man. That's some heavy hitters. Low-key sleepers, real talk. Got the Srtfied out here. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Srtfied with the Viper motor. I like how you got the little snake design and stuff on here. That's dope. Nice touch to it. This thing raw. What you got in here? Just basic setup. Alright. Yo, this cinnamon stick color, cinnamon stick, or however you say, I don't know if that's the correct term that Dodge calls this, but this cinnamon color is the hardest color that Dodge has come out with to this day. Like, pictures, videos don't do this thing justice at all. But when the sun hits it, man, there's nothing better than this color right here. Got that 392 thing in here. This thing is raw. Theme out here, look at this. That's crazy.
Excuse me?
Oh, this thing for sale?
Oh, you can't see it all?
Well, you just got the price tag. What you got done to the interior? Trunk work? Nope. Ain't got no trunk work done. Oh shit, look at that. It's the details. This thing looking dope too. Oh, I like how they did that on the rain guards. That's different right there. You don't see that too often. You got the boxing gloves. Oh, okay, okay. That's dope. I like the theme. Yo, this thing got a crazy amp back here, yo. I seen this thing from way. Look how big this amp is, yo. That's crazy. I don't know what he actually got inside there. Ooh, you got the bar. Yo, y'all see it? That's crazy. Get the bags on them. Get the bags on them. Ooh. That Viper clean.
Oh, goodness gracious. This ain't no bad angle. Yeah.
That's dope.
That's why I asked. I have no idea.
That's dope. That ram thing out here. That's crazy right here. Yo, this wrap is clean. It's like a satin gray, smoke gray. That is dope. Boy, and they painted the supercharger as well.
Okay, just get that
Still on a stop pulley though.
water, like the original.
That's clean.
See if they have this any for me.
That's clean. Ooh, that bad boy chopping, boy. Give me a little something. That boy ready, boy. This thing sound nasty. So they just gave us these plaques right here. Guest appreciation for our military service. So it's kind of dope how they do that. Ooh, look at all these trophies. That's dope. So we just got our little picture taken with our little certificates and stuff. Kind of dope right there. But definitely appreciate whoever put this event on. If you're watching this right now, definitely appreciate you recognizing service members. But definitely appreciate you guys doing this in general. It's a great turnout right now. Got a little hall in here. Got little snacks and stuff. Ooh, look at these brownies. Boy, my inner fat boy is starting to heavy breathing. Heavy breathing. Let me stop. I gotta watch my figure.
In here, as soon as you get here.
Got some old schools out here. I wonder what he got done in this thing. I don't know why he ain't popped the hood on it. He trying to be slick. Look at that. Oh, this thing built. Got the B-locks on there. That's clean. Ooh, look at this. The attention to detail right there. Look at this paintwork. That's crazy. Oh yeah, that's crazy. That's clean right there. Yo, I like these old school cars, man. That's a lot of money that people put in. Oh, he got it on his too. That's crazy. This thing right here is gorgeous. That is crazy. Look at that, y'all. That's cool. That is clean. Boy, that's real clean. Ooh, that Pontiac. Got that 428 in there. That's dope. How they got the little glass right here. That's dope. I'm telling y'all, it's the details, man. It's the small details that a lot of people don't realize. That is sick. Inside that thing?
Huh?
What you got inside that thing?
632.
Ooh, boy. This thing sound nasty. Y'all see, they got a whole bunch of old schools out here too. That's dope. That thing stretched. Boy. This thing sitting down. Look at that. That's crazy. That's dope little truck right here. He got the whole thing going. Got the color bed. I like it. I like it. That's dope. This is something that you'll see out of like a scary movie or something. That's dope. Look at that. Got another one of these things out here. I like how neat this stuff is, man. Like, people get real creative with stuff like this. I would never personally drive something like this, but I love and appreciate the creativity of it. I definitely appreciate it. Ha! That's dope. This thing sounds mean. Oh, it still got that new car smell too. Look at that, y'all. This thing is dope. I'm telling y'all, run my subscribers up on the channel. Keep the views going on the channel. Keep the support going. Y'all might see something like this on the channel eventually. This thing is nasty. Got that ZX14 out here. If I ever wanted a bike, this is what I wanted right here. That thing nasty. thing right here. Look at this. That is crazy. This thing is pressure for real. That is dope. Alright, so I had to take a quick intermission real quick because today, out of all days, it's been pretty chilly outside this whole week. Weather's been feeling good, breezy, and out of all days, it decided to get hot today, which is dope for the car show, but you know, we got to be out here all day, especially when you start entering your cars, and you know, we have people that enter their cars. I wish I would have entered my car, man. Wish my car would have been done, but big shout out to Malahini Customs for getting my car right. Like, they are really taking their time and doing things the way I want it done. You know what I'm saying? I told them exactly how I wanted it done, how I wanted it to look, and where I wanted things to be mounted. So they are taking their time, and they've been contacting me consistently and just getting updates, or giving me updates. So I definitely appreciate their customer service so far, and from what I've seen so far, their work is second to none. So make sure y'all check them out. Post the IG right here for you guys. If you guys want to contact them for any type of work that they do. They don't just do bags, they do custom interiors, cardio, they do all kinds of stuff. So they're a full custom shop. Like, they do everything. So if y'all want anything done in y'all in the Jacksonville area, make sure y'all check them out. But take this little intermission right now, cool off a little bit, and when they start giving out these awards, I'm gonna come back to you guys, and we can probably wrap this thing up after the fact. But yeah, we'll see about that. I'm probably gonna get some more footage for you guys. But yeah, for now, chilling. So catch you in the future.
Mine just ran out.
I'm like, that's what I'm talking about.
Mine ran out a week ago.
There they go.
What's up?
What happened? You didn't get your military
Yeah, I got
service
like 4
award?
of those at home.
You know what I'm saying?
I'll go get one.
Yeah, veteran over here.
But you're not in the military though.
Yeah, but
Who's not?
You don't do
not?
nothing but watch YouTube videos. Yes.
Got him.
Look, don't be a hater all your life.
Airside don't do shit. Come surface, dog.
Hey,
what's that for?
you want to put our LESs together and see who get paid more?
Because
though?
you've been in longer.
Right. But
How they
doesn't
know?
matter what side I'm
Are
on.
you want to say, hey, I'm military?
You know what I'm saying? I went up there, I'm like, hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm serving in the U.S. Navy. You know what I'm saying? The finest branch in the world, you know?
His knees is always dirty when he come home.
Are you really trying to clown right now? And you trying to do it on my channel? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna let you live today. I'm not even gonna do it, because this is a kid-friendly channel. Y'all see how they do me? They stay trying to clown and stuff, but because I'm doing this for YouTube, I cannot do this. I cannot do this today. But they already know I'm with all the shit. You hear it? But nah, y'all see it. We out here. Y'all just saw all the footage and everything that's out here right now. So right now we just literally chilling, walking around, doing the judging and waiting for them to judge cars. I really wish I would have had Nunu out here, man. I would have straight up killed the game out here, because I have yet to see a bagged Charger that is even worth anything out here. Don't get me wrong, that Hellcat that I showed you guys that I actually voted on is actually pretty dope, but no shade on anybody else that's out here. I think I would have definitely had a good shot if I would have brought Nunu out here. Definitely had a good shot at winning something. But real talk, I'm not one of those people that's, you know, car show heavy as far as trying to win awards and stuff. I just like my car to be seen. I just put it out there for people to see it, admire it, and do that stuff. If I get an award in the process, I get one. If I don't, oh well. But just to give you guys a quick update, Nunu is still currently in the shop, as y'all already heard. Today is Saturday. It should be another 2 or 3 days before I get the car back. But I went up there yesterday, and I'm not gonna lie, it's looking really nice. It's looking really good. So I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So we out here just chilling and didn't even realize we got a Lambo sitting right here. Pretty little Huracan. Right. And I don't understand why he behind the gate. Everybody else is in the show and he's behind the gate. But you know what? That type of car, I probably wouldn't have it in this type of show either. I don't want nobody to scratch it. But this thing is gorgeous. I feel like I'm watching this like I'm inside a jail or something like that. This thing is gorgeous, y'all. Man.
sit on grass.
I want to jump the fence. I want to jump the fence.
That car is so sick, yo.
I want to jump the fence and chase it, bro. I want to know. I want to jump the fence and chase it.
So this is what happens when the ground is a little wet and you don't know how to drive. You get stuck. Don't run it. Don't run it. Is you gonna get stuck again? Oh, you made it out. Of course, we got my dog Slides in the building.
That's gonna get you some views.
Why you let my boy get stuck like that, man? Like I'm in jail and shit.
I don't know,
You know
man.
what I'm saying?
You need to stop. You need to stop. You standing behind these bars. You look like you locked up.
I'm locked up. Don't shout it out for the people, man.
Hey man, life with Slides, baby. Hey, you already know, man. Y'all go hit that subscribe button. Hey, shout out to my boy Srtfied 392. Y'all go hit that notification bell for my boy too.
Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it.
All right, so they're about to announce the award winnies or winnies. They're about to announce the awards. Everybody's in here gathering up now. They got like 50 different categories. So, you think you won something? Why are you looking? You looking like a weirdo.
You got to win something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a 6.7 rare on bags, Ferrada rims, white Daytona. Hey, if y'all haven't subscribed to her 78.
Subscribe.
You
mean follow?
Yeah, that's what I'm about. Yeah, follow.
Follow my dog, man. Follow my dog. But that's the car I'm driving right now. Well, he let me drive it, so he might win something. I don't know. I'm not gonna front. It was some dope cars out here, but as far as on the MOPAR side of things, I didn't really.
I should have plain Jane.
He might. Hey, last year or the year before last, somebody won something and his car was plain Jane. So it is what it is, you know. But we're gonna see what's up. We're about to get this award show going. And bro, who the hell you talking to? Y'all see how they do me there? Y'all see how they do me? You know what I'm saying? Like,
They got the pictures up front.
oh, they got the pictures? All right. So they got all the pictures and stuff up here. Like when you first come in, they take pictures of everybody's cars. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Little thing right here. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We hung out too. I think I got it.
And these are all the trophies they got up here.
Yeah,
I'm proud of this
joint. He needed false teeth. He's got gold in him.
He got them gold in his mouth. Go on, shout it out, man. Where they gonna find you at on IG?
Lost his real teeth.
Hulk Toner, man. Make sure y'all follow my boy. My boy nasty right now. Everybody got their pictures and stuff. Andrew, go on, shout it out, man.
Wide Boat 392.
I'm gonna need you to take that mask off.
Wide Boat 392.
There we
Check
go,
it out.
there we go,
Cleanest
there we go.
wide body in Jacksonville.
Number 296.
Oh, hey. Squad. Squad. My dog got one.
Gang, gang. I don't mess with you.
Can't do nothing. Get excited. Squad. 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 They just doing a 50-50 raffle right now, but y'all seen, you know what I'm saying, our club, you know what I'm saying, we got two people that won some things.
What you won, the slowest scat award?
Hey, right now I ain't got nothing because my car in the shop. Y'all make sure y'all check out my dog, man. Hey, go on, shout it out for him.
Oh, it's roll underscore S550, but I gotta get that changed.
Yeah, right?
Yeah,
I got a mirror now.
Yeah, that man was clean too. But yeah, so we got a couple people that won some awards and whatnot. I know my boy Andrew happy because he a fiend for awards, trophies, all that stuff at car shows. So I'm glad he got one. I'm happy for him. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, y'all. Big shout out to Dinsmore Baptist Church for hosting the 9th annual Kruisin for Kids car show. It was a dope turnout. There's some dope cars out here as well. So
If y'all are in the Jacksonville area, they do this every year, so make sure y'all check them out next year. It's a nice little event, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people, as y'all saw, come out, and there's some dope cars. I'm telling y'all, dope cars. And they do giveaways. Like, they gave away some stuff for kids. Like, it wasn't even announced. It was just last minute type thing. Kids got free gifts and toys and things of that nature. So, but big shout out to Dinsmore Baptist Church for holding this Cruising for Kids car show. But it's gonna wrap it up. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, post that right here. Hashtag salute and certified drip on all your pictures and videos on Instagram. And yeah, we're gonna wrap this thing up. So until next time, YouTube, I hope y'all have a good day.